What's up, ladies and gentlemen? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the best ways I think you can start making money online. So let's start. So probably the best way to start immediately making money working from home, working online, is selling products. And one of the best marketplaces to do it is Amazon. So, you can basically have products that you have shipped to them and they take care of the, basically the shipping, packaging, and all the returns. Or you can do this in your own home. So you can package the product and ship it out to them. So, you know, have a look at Amazon. It's more complex than what I'm going to be talking to you in this video, but this is a great option because it has the most, is the best e-commerce website online, and it has the most traffic. So a great place to start. Another one I like to use is eBay. And they're I think they're a bit more flexible what kind of type of products you can sell, as opposed to Amazon where you mostly want to sell new products or in really great condition. In Amazon, you can even sell stuff that's broken, pieces, parts. So a bit more flexible with stuff that you can sell on eBay. Another great place to sell things, and this is more locally, is Facebook Marketplace. As you can see right here, we have DVDs, we even have fresh eggs. So a lot of different products you can sell. I was selling some t-shirts, I was selling some dog bowls. So you have the idea right there. Now here in Canada, there's a website called Kijiji, very popular. And in the past month, I was looking at cars. You can sell houses, you can look for jobs. So in the buy and sell area, they have books, bikes, baby items. So here you can post your products and see if you can have some buyers within your community as well. Another option is like Craigslist. So similar to that, these places you can really get, it's going pretty fast. If you have something that's valuable that you think people will want, you can pretty much post it and sell it the same day. So another way you can sell products is building your own website. Now this is going to be a bit more complex because it involves a little more technique and skill to build a website, and a bit more time. But one of the easier ones is Shopify. They have a lot of let's say apps and plugins to make the whole process a lot easier, but you definitely will need to invest some money to do this. Now I'm going to be talking about selling educational stuff. I believe, and I've also heard many people think this is just going to blow up within the years because of people mostly wanting to stay at home or having to stay at home. And, just maybe even the flexibility and the possibilities of technology making it easier to be getting an education. Now, there's a few ways you can do this. I'm just going to go through a few of them that I know that I've heard really good feedback. Now, let's start with YouTube. A lot of YouTube channels, so you can start your own YouTube channel, and a lot of the ones that are successful are the ones that kind of say are how to. A lot of people go to YouTube as a search engine and go how to make money online, and then a video pops out. You can make money with the ads or selling specific products that might help them with their educational process. Another one I heard is pretty good is Udemy. So I believe Udemy, you basically pay for a course. So here you'll be learning an entire MBA in one course, award-winning business professor. So you have several courses right here you can just buy. So if you have any skills that you can make a high quality video in, you can upload it here and see if you can get people to buy your course. Another similar to Udemy is Skillshare. So what Skillshare, instead of selling individual courses, you basically are a subscriber to the website, and you have access to a lot of different courses. So you can learn videography, painting. I see a lot of it is more in the creative side, but they do offer all kinds of different things. Now the last one I'm going to mention is Amazon Ignite. Now this is fairly new to my knowledge, and as it says right here, you are selling digital educational resources, printables, lessons plans, class games. So if you can make these products, you can upload them and you can be on one of the most trafficked websites, that is Amazon. The last thing you can do as well is build your own website and get people to subscribe or buy a course from you on your own website. So another great way to make money is through affiliate marketing. So let's say you don't have your own products and you don't have like information you could share to sell. You can get other people's products and other people's information that you can sell for them. So if you have like a YouTube channel that's about fitness, you can direct them to websites that have great products to sell. So let's have a look at ClickBank, which is one of the more popular ones. As you can see, you have, strength. Here's a surf strength coach. You can, so say you're a surfer and you have great following in your, Instagram account. You can direct people to these products that you think will help them. So your job basically is to bring in people and hopefully they'll buy these products. Now the idea is obviously that you want to make sure these products are good quality and that they'll bring value to their lives. Now ClickBank is one of the more popular ones, but almost every other website that I mentioned in the past has an affiliate membership. Now another one that's one of the more popular affiliate marketing websites is Amazon. So here we have Amazon Associates. So you join, you advertise the products, and you earn a commission. So let's say I'm making a video about this mouse. I highlight the qualities of it, and I say, if you are interested in buying this mouse, the link is down below. You click on that link, and I can make up to 10% for that advertising fees. So these ClickBank and Amazon are one of the most popular affiliate websites, but there's a ton out there, and almost all the other websites I mentioned in the past have a form of becoming an affiliate. So there's a ton out there, and the best way you can succeed in this is actually creating good content. So either creating blogs, videos of the products that you really want to advertise and you think are of great value to your followers. Now, another way to get some money working online or at home is basically finding a job. So we have sites like freelancers where they, hire experts. So you can be one of those experts. So let's say you know how to build a website, you're good at graphic design, logo design, writing, you're, let's say an app developer, or you're good at marketing, you can get hired from this website. Another example is Fiverr. So if you're good at graphic design, digital marketing, writing, video animation, music, so you can write music for other people, programming, business. So here there's a lot of job possibilities that you might be able to get hired for. So you basically would have to, let's say I need a graphic designer for t-shirts. I should put it the other way around, and then right there we have a post of some graphic designers that do stuff for t-shirts. So you would create something like this in the hopes of getting hired. Now, the prices with Fiverr, I believe, are a bit lower than, let's say, Freelancer or Upwork. So same thing, just another website where you can get hired to do web development, design, writing, sales, marketing, administration work, customer service. So as you can see, we have a lot of options here of what we might be able to get hired for. Another way to make some money online, but not necessarily at home, would be by using your car. So Amazon has Amazon Flex. You basically become a delivery driver, and you have something like Uber, where you can become, a driver for people, or you can become a fast food delivery driver with Uber Eats. So those aren't my favorite, just because you have a lot more expenses and the money isn't that great. So those are just a few of hundreds of possibilities of how you can make money online. Now I'm going to be moving forward with kind of narrowing down, being more specific, try to target more the ones that are a bit more creative, and the ones that you can do a bit more of a passive income instead of trying to make money with how many hours you're working. All right, so that is it for today's video. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying healthy, and I'll see you next time. Peace.